UK Chancellor Rachel Reeves plans to introduce a 22% charge on interest earned from cash held in stocks and share ISAs, starting April 2027. Cash ISA savings are decreasing from 20k to 12k to encourage more people from just saving cash and towards investing via stocks and share ISAs in a bid to boost the UK economy. There are concerns that individuals may simply transfer excess money into stocks and share ISAs and keep it uninvested in order to still get interest like they would in a cash ISA. Myself, along with many others, keep cash in our stocks and shares ISA for account fees and to make quick investments when opportunities arise. While I appreciate the British government wanting to close this potential loophole, imposing a 22% tax on holding cash feels ridiculous, and I hope this won't pass in Parliament, as it'll simply disadvantage everyday investors. What do you think of this potential change? Put your thoughts in the comments and share this video to spread awareness with anyone you feel would want to know. I hope you found this video useful. If so, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.